Welcome to Crazy with Cooking with Sisu. Today I'm going to make hot pot. I'm gonna show you how to make eat at home hot pot. It's very cheap, okay, and healthy. Alright, let's start it. This is mung bean noodle. This is taro. This potato and mushroom. And this is regular mushroom and bok choice. Okay, I'm gonna put mung bean noodle soap in the water. Bag for 2 people. So let's soak for 10 minutes. Okay, let's prep taro. Let's prep potato. Alright, let's prep potato. Okay, let's get done. Potato done now. Alright, let's prep potato. Okay, this is mushroom. Let's prep mushroom. Yep, just cut by 2, just like that. Just like that. Okay, mushroom done. Okay, this is king mushroom. Let's prep king mushroom. Okay, just divide by 2, just like that. Let's see, cut like that. This is make it easy. Okay, this is bok choy. Just go ahead prep that. Sorry. Okay, just go ahead prep, cut like that. Just one bite. Just one bite. Just like that. Okay, this is mung bean. Just cut the mung bean. Yep. Done. Okay, this noodle right here, they call this the lizard noodle, just plain noodle, basic plain noodle, only $3.99 guys. Plain noodle. Alright, just take 2 right here for 2 people. Okay, this is pork. They already I already buy this slide already, so let's get started. This is beef. Alright, just get started. Okay guys, the hot pot set up, done, prep. Always say prep, always better when you prep the job. Everything become easy, and then all the vegetable, all in there. That's prep. Okay, done. I'm gonna show you how to make the soup. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to make the hot water. We put about 1 cup. Just 1 cup first. Start the stove. Alright, that's the water boiling right now. Okay, the water boiling right now. Alright, that's the plain water, okay? Okay, that's the pot right there. Go ahead, pull one side. Yes, Yep, pull hot water in there. Okay. Alright. Start the power. Alright, power on right now. Go high, you can. Okay. 1 step. Second step gonna be tom yum flavor, okay? Okay, second step gonna be the tom yum soup. I'm gonna show you how to make tom yum soup, okay? Alright, let the water boiling about 15 minutes. Okay, this is the most important tom yum ingredient. Gonna be herb. This is key lime leaf. This is the lemongrass and the sugar and roasted hot pepper. Roasted hot pepper. Right there, you can buy from Thailand. This brand and noodle soup paste flavor and tom yum paste. Tom yum paste, okay? Then 3 crab fish sauce. Alright, this ingredient right here, and sugar. My ingredient: chicken broth powder, 3 crab fish sauce, tom yum paste, soup paste, and hot pepper, roasted hot pepper. Most important thing is here ingredient: lime leaf, key lime leaf, and lemongrass. Last one will be sugar. I'll show you how to mix them together. Okay. Okay, let's tear my lime leaf. Tear it down like that. Water boiling now. Drop to the hot. All my herb drop to the hot. Yep. Let's get in there. Okay, the herb get in the pot right now. Okay, this is sugar. Let's fix the soup. Alright, 2 spoons sugar. Fix the soup. Okay, let's get chicken broth. 1 big spoon. 1 more spoon. That's 2 spoons, okay? 2 spoons. Alright, just get tom yum paste. Tom yum paste about 1 big spoon. This is a meat. And I will put 2 spoons, okay? 2 spoons. Beef paste gonna be one big spoon. Look at that. Alright, just drop to the hot water. Okay, this is roasted hot pepper, roasted flavor, the roasted everything in here. So I'm gonna go ahead drop just a tiny bit right there. It's not full spoon, just a little bit. Alright, let them cook and have to taste. See that? That's tom yum soup right there, guys. It's very easy. I show you all my ingredients. Alright, let's taste. Okay, let's taste. It's not enough. We always add something more. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, wow. Okay, one last ingredient. Fish sauce. 1 full spoon. Okay, let them cook down. Let's taste again. Oh wow, that's crazy delicious. Oh my goodness. Alright, I think just a little bit sugar, just balance out, okay? Yep, right here. Tom yum guy here ready. Oh, so good. My goodness, delicious. From to over here, yes, both upside. Both upside, yes. Go low, please go low. Both side, okay? There you go, tom yum soup. Oh my goodness. Both side, yep. Even side, please. Even. Yep, right here. Go all the way. All the herb get in there, yep. Okay, that's done. Right there. Okay. Lock that down. Okay, turn the heat on, please. All the way up. Okay. Okay, this is sukiyaki for just dipping. Okay, sukiyaki. Okay, let's put sukiyaki here for dipping. Okay, sukiyaki sauce. Sukiyaki sauce, so we can go ahead dipping. Guys, sukiyaki ready to eat. I mean, hot pot. I said sukiyaki because the sauce sukiyaki. Okay, hot pot ready. Look at all the vegetable I prep, all the meat I have, the noodle, mung bean noodle, and that regular romaine noodle, and hot sauce. Pot right there. All right, let's party. Let's get started. It's a ramen noodle. Cheers. Alright, this is what kind of wine is that?
This is Chardonnay Kendall Jackson.
Alright. Cheers. Alright, good. Started. Good start. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat noodle because I love noodle. You know, I love noodle. Just cook noodle. Oh yeah. The noodle down, cook the noodle. Then pick it up. Yeah. Alright, let's cook the noodle for a couple of minutes. That's potato, mushroom. King mushroom. that's a beef. Okay, that's pork right there. Oh yes, okay, everything cooked right now. You see how good look. Wow, you hit the jackpot tonight. Look at that. Okay, ready to heat up everything. Can I do for you? Can I do? Okay. Ready to heat up everything right now. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, that's a right on the bowl. That's exactly you do it right. Right there. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, yummy. You got your potato, taro, everything. That's a taro right here. Taro.
Good now.
That's taro right here.
Yeah, put on.
Cook couple minutes, you know. Taro. Potato. Cook the one first. And mushroom. That's a regular mushroom. I don't know what's the name, but this is king mushroom right here. This is bok choy. Okay, let's cook everything down. Oh yes, cook everything down. Oh yeah, soup in there. Wow, this is cost you nothing when you go to the restaurant. You know how much they charge you? $100. Not even good food. Not even give you everything. This one right here, you prepare, put anything you want. It's just like so cheap. I have to say I spend less than $20 right here. Okay, time for me now. Look at this. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
Oh, it's so delicious. That tom yum broth off the hook.
Off the hook, right? They're cooking the beef right now. Don't want overcook. You cook the beef just medium. Let's dip the sukiyaki. Sukiyaki, guys, look at that. Let's dip. Look at that. Round 2. Yeah. Hot pot, guys, hot pot. Cook egg at home, eat at home, cook at home. A lot of cheaper. Spend $20. You got everything in here. You go to restaurant, you spend about $100. Okay. I show you how to cook egg very cheap. $20 you can eat whole family. Look at that. Look at that. Hit the jackpot. $20. You go restaurant 100 again and again, okay? Okay guys, the food tastes so good. And wow, you guys can go ahead, just make this and eat the way I make. I'm going to serve you in a minute. You guys go ahead to do this for family, eat, they will be happy. Hot pot guys, okay? Cheers. Alright, I'm gonna end up the time. Be busy to eat now. And then show you next one, different one. Cheers. Cheers, hon. Oh yeah, we got beer now. Yeah. Alright, see you guys later, okay? I'm gonna go ahead give you recipe I made. all everything very cheap. I'm gonna put it